amount you have spent on this area. You can actually break down all the things at the end of the year. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here actually you can select the laser, and then you can actually, as I said, like the if it is bank cash, I mean bank, then you can put this one, and you can put the bank amount. Let's say you spend you receive $250 on the bank, and cash is receive like 200. So it is like total like 450. And then you can also select the laser. So right now we don't have any laser. We can also add the laser also here. If you're missing any laser, that the laser you are looking for, then you can add a new laser here. Okay. So let's say the laser is the primary and the secondary. So the primary is like you can put here the laser. Let's say the official cost, and here you can select the type of this ledger, like is it the asset or the liability or the income or the expenses. Okay, you can also specific. So this is the expense, right? And then enter the account group, and this is the enter the ledger group here. So we can also have multiple ledger group, but let's say we can just click on okay. uh, do you have any group? Okay. Okay. So see, we have type and we have also multiple groups. So that means we may have 100 laser here. So that I want to actually get the only the laser group. Though there is no actually the laser, there is a specific group. We may have multiple group, like the office group or the like the uh, institution group. Like we have multiple groups. We can actually break down group wise. We can select the group wise also these lasers. Okay. And then here also you can put the description, like what you like if you have any anything to add here, you can add the description here. Then it just simply okay, let me add the description that I received the money from let's say Kaziano or something like this. Okay, I can actually also put this so that I can actually to get this like transaction, I can also get the idea from where it actually happens. Then just simply save it. Amount should be equal. Oh, okay. So like if I put here the bank, I think it's like this 250. Save it. Is it working? Okay, if I like this V0. uh, mhm. Why it's not allowing me to do 200? Okay. Oh, it is gone. See, it's actually there is some bugs here also. So let me add again.
Try changing the laser account, maybe.
Is it a bug here or something else?
No, maybe we are missing something here.
No, it is like you will just give the received amount, and then you will select the laser, then you will select the date, and then you will actually put here the amount. Okay. So it's saying that the both sides should be match. Like if the 200 and the 200 laser also should be the match. But why it's not allowing me? See, it's not allowing me to do this. Even it's not also giving any error. Let me check it. Network. Yeah, you are getting actually, see, we're getting the 500. So it has the bug. Okay, so it has the bug. So uh, but yeah, we can actually let's say we can actually uh see, and based on our actual overview, so here actually we can also get the trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet, laser management. So all those things are actually available here. And also you can export the lasers into the JSON format, into the CSV format, into the XLSX format. Also you can print all. Like if I want to print this, I can also print all this actually. See, we can see actually inside also the into the print format. Okay. Then if we want to add only the laser here, actually I can select the laser, then click on the primary, and I can select enter the name, and I can actually add all the lasers here. Okay, and also select the account type here, actually put the type of the laser, and can actually add the group. So this is how we can add multiple lasers here, so that we will get all those lasers into the vouchers. Okay. So this is, let's say this is one company, and this is another company, TS4 Limited. So this is another company. Okay, let me try here. Let's see. Yeah, this one is looking here some like bank and cash. Yeah, I was looking for this one. Like it should be like this, but on there it was not looking like that. See? Yeah, it has some bug. Okay, let me work on this. Add voucher. So let's say I received this. So through the bank, I received like 2000. So it's converted into the taka. I mean the BDT. And then okay, let's select this, select the laser. See, there are so many lasers in this I mean in this organization. So let's say employee salary, something like this, and then select here the amount. uh, okay, and then okay, as it is the salary employee, not the employee salary, let me yearly festival bonus. So paid, received yearly festival bonus from XYZ, something like this. Okay, I mean from anyone. Let's save this. Yeah, it's added. So yeah, this one is working. This TS4 LLC, that one has some issue. So here you can see, like after adding that, here you can see this is the type received, this is the date, this is the description, and the created at, and this is the accounts to 2000, this is the debit, and this is the credit. So always whatever the like will be the debit, the credit will be the same also. This is also the another terms of the accountings. Like because accounting, in the accountings, we always for every transaction we always think for the two side. Okay, so let's say if I talk about one transaction, let's say I spend I buy a stapler. Okay, a stapler for my office. Okay, so that means I have to spend there, right? I have to pay the money there. So what will happen here? So when I'm going to spend there that money, so that will be actually the like debit. Okay, because I spend the money there, and the debit will be like $200, sorry, 200, like let's say $50. Okay, so $50 will be the debit because I spend the money to buy that stapler. Okay, and after I buying the stapler, I'm getting that stapler, right? So that stapler will be like will be my what it calls property of that office, right? So that's why as I getting something also with that, so that stapler will be in the part of the credit also, because after spending the money, I'm getting that stapler. So there are two like sides involved beyond this transaction. So in this account terms, it happens like in the account terms, every transaction there will be like two like what it calls two sides. One side will be the debit, another side will be the credit, and both side will be the same amount. Because if I spent $50 with the cash money, but based on the $50, after spending that, I also get an stapler. I also get a stapler of the $50 amount. Okay, so that's why one side will be the debit, another side will be the credit. So here you can see it. See, every transaction, the debit and the credit side is the same.